Hey, what's up everybody? Ian here from Udroid Mania with a quick case review for the Samsung Galaxy Note devices, so let's jump right in. These Samsung cases were sent over by Mobile Fund, links down below. If you've seen my previous video, then you know that I don't have a Galaxy Note 10, I've got a 10 Plus. So today, I'll be using a dummy phone to show off Samsung's rugged protective cover in black. This is a one-piece case, meaning you only need to snap the phone in during the installation. This case has a little bit of weight to it, and to me, it certainly feels protective. This is my first time trying this case, and for first impressions, I gotta say I like it more than I thought I would. Taking a quick look around the case starting from the bottom, being that this case is designed by Samsung, of course all the cutouts line up perfectly. On the left hand side, you'll find the power button along with the volume up and down rocker, and I should mention that this case feels grippy in the hand while I'm at it. Moving up top, you'll find just two cutouts, and on the right hand side, there's nothing but that grippy feeling. On the back of the case, there's plenty of protection for your camera, and again I'll say it, I'm really liking the design of this case and the size of the Galaxy Note 10 over the Note 10 Plus. Almost enough to want to exchange mine. Anyway, don't let me forget the kickstand here. Okay, so if you like what you've seen, I got a link down below, so go and check it out. Next up, we've got the Samsung LED wallet cover in blue. Now I like wallet cases, don't get me wrong, but for me, they're not my go-to for one reason. I watch too many videos on my phone. Anyway, with this one, I'm pleasantly surprised. With this case, the phone just snaps right in, and the best part is that it's fully functional. You can see things like the time, calls, and messages on the cover, so despite it being a wallet case, it's still nice. On the front of the case, there's a slim cutout up top, so there's no need to open it to take a call. On the inside of the case, there's room to carry a card if you need it. You'll also have access to the volume up and down buttons and the power button, which feels a little raised, so you should have no trouble finding it. And when I think back, I found that to be a nice added touch. On the back of the case, there's a nice spacious cutout to protect the camera and flash, and finally, that Samsung branding on the bottom of the case. Because this is a wallet case, the bottom is open so no issues accessing your S Pen or USB port. The same goes for up top. This case was also designed by Samsung, so again, you're in good hands. Okay, so there you have it, two of Samsung's finest. Overall, I think the rugged protective cover does it for me. I like the way it feels in the hand and the way this case looks. It comes in multiple colors and is a pretty good price point. So today, it's the rugged protective cover that gets my vote. Oh, and before I let you go, the last thing I'll mention is that both of these cases work with the white stone dome, so that's 2 down. If you've enjoyed today's video, do leave a thumbs up, and if you're new here, subscribe before you go. And as always, I'd like to thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next one.